If you are planning to visit Singapore and you don't know which hotel to book yet, I have my top 8 decent, affordable hotels. You can just choose which hotel you prefer based on the price and the location. These hotels are below 150 Singapore dollars per night. I will give you the price based on 3 days, 2 nights stay and 1 month booking ahead. So the recording of this video is February 25. Number 1, ST Signature Hotel. The price starts from $90 per night. They have 5 good locations and it's walkable, let's say 2 to 3 minutes to MRT stations. We have Bugis, Jalan Besar, Tanjong Pagar, and a famous tourist area, Chinatown. Just to take note, they have a shared bathroom if you don't mind. Number 2, Great Madras by Hotel Calmo. I've checked the price. It seems that third-party hotel booking is much cheaper compared to their actual website rates. Price starts also from $90 per night. The nearest MRT station is Rocher and Jalan Besar. These 2 MRT stations is in the center of Singapore also. Number 3, Canleng Hotel. This is also one of the cheapest affordable hotels that I know. Price per night starts from $90. The nearest MRT station is Farrer Park and Bendemeer Station. They have a convenience store opposite the hotel and some food shop houses that you can explore. Next is Hotel 81. Is also famous in Singapore for their varieties of location and price range. I recommend Hotel Sakura. The price also starts from $90 per night. Accessible to public transportation, but there's no nearby MRT. But it's quite cheap compared to other locations of Hotel 81. If I'm not mistaken, they have maybe 25 to 30 hotels across Singapore. Number 5, Fragrance Hotel. They also have a couple of locations that you can choose. Price starts from $80 to $100 per night. You can try to check out Fragrance Hotel Classic or Fragrance Hotel Oasis. It's considered central because there's a nearby MRT station which is Novena. Next is Dash Living on Mackenzie. They have 2 locations, one in Bugis and one in Rocher. This is the only hotel that has 5 MRT stations that you can access. Little India, Rocher, Bencoolen, Bras-Basah, and Dhoby Ghaut. There's also a nearby park in Mackenzie and other shop houses that you can explore. The Snooze Hotel or Snooze Inn. They have 4 locations, Bugis, Marine Parade, Dixon Road, and Dunlop Street. You can check out the Bugis location since this is a famous spot for tourists. Price starts from 100 onwards per night. I've tried using their official website. It's more expensive than third-party booking. This is the last hotel, Aquin or Aquin Hotel. They have 3 good locations, Paya Lebar, Lavender, and Jalan Besar. You can check out Aquin Lavender and Paya Lebar. Both of these hotels have a nearby MRT station. It will be easier for you to go around the city. I didn't highlight what are the amenities for the hotels. I mainly focus on the price and you can see in the video and the photos how the hotel looks like. So it's up to you guys which one you prefer. I hope this video have helped you. If you want to check out my previous video also, part 1 of affordable price top hotels in Singapore. If you have any question, just comment down below, or if you have any hotel to recommend, you can share it in the comment section. If you're still here, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.